everybody, I'm here today to talk to you about 7 car accessories that will make you a safer driver. In this video, I'll be going over 7 things that you should keep in your car that you can use if need be, and these car accessories will make you a safer driver. They'll help you be safer on the road, which is better for your safety and the safety of everyone and everything around you. I believe that all drivers, every driver should carry these 7 things. Let's get right into the video without any further ado. Number 1 is actually something that you're seeing right now, and it is a nice pair of sunglasses. A good pair of sunglasses will help keep you safe on the road and allow you to be a safer driver, simply because you'll be able to stare at the road while the sun is shining on you. Right now, the sun is just completely shining right on my face, right on my head, and I can look at the road in front of me and I can perfectly see what's going on, simply because these sunglasses are doing a great job at allowing me to just look despite the sun being shining right in my eyes. Now, if you can get polarized lenses, it's going to get, it's going to be even better. If I take these off, I have to squint, I have to use the sun visor, I have to do everything in my power just to get the bare minimum vision on the road. Whereas when I put my sunglasses on, okay, number 1, I look cooler. Let's get real here. These are actually my wife's sunglasses. I keep them in the car, but I like them so much that I just end up wearing them because my sunglasses are in the other vehicle. Anyways, number 1, I look cooler, but number 2, I can see perfectly in front of me. The second car accessory that's going to make you a safer driver is a snow brush. I actually think I have one back here somewhere. I'm just gonna pick it up, it's right here. So, a snow brush. You can see on one side it has a scraper, and on the other side it has the brush. It telescopes, it extends out. Very simple device. Now I'll tell you why it's going to allow you to be a safer driver. Well, obviously if you live in an area where it snows often, you're going to need one. But a lot of people will just brush off their windshield and their windows and start driving, and all of the snow on their hood, headlights, taillights, license plates, everything on the roof of their car, it's going to fly everywhere and obstruct their vision and the vision of everyone around them. If you have a nice snow brush, you're going to be able to easily and quickly get all of the snow off of your car, and it's going to allow you to be a safer driver. It's as simple as that. Number 3 is a tire pump. Now, driving with underinflated tires is dangerous. You have less traction and you're more prone to losing control on the road, which creates an unsafe situation. So if you want to be a safer driver, just carry around a simple tire pump, okay? They're very inexpensive. Most of them will plug into your 12-volt accessory slot, accessory socket on the car, which will allow you to easily inflate the tires. So if you see that a tire is low, you just pull over on the side of the road or in a parking lot and use your tire pump to inflate it, and you remain safe on the road. Okay, number 4, the 4th car accessory is going to be a cell phone holder. Now, I don't recommend that you use your cell phone while you're driving. However, there are some uses for your cell phone while you're driving, okay? So you're not going to be touching it and playing with it, but there are things that your cell phone is useful for. Let me give you a few examples of when a cell phone holder would make you a safer driver. On your phone, you probably have a GPS app, and you probably use that GPS app to get locations and directions to wherever you're going. So if you're using the GPS app, instead of placing it somewhere on your dashboard or in the center console and you're looking down at it all the time, you can use a cell phone holder to place it directly, either on the windshield, or use some of them clip into the vents of the car, and then your phone can be in your vision. So you can look at the GPS, figure out your directions without taking your eyes off the road, okay? Another example is if you are connecting your phone to a hands-free device in the car. So let's say you want to take a call and it's hands-free, so I'm assuming it's legal where you live. Where I live, you can use your phone as long as it's hands-free. You can talk on the phone, you just can't touch the phone. But with that being said, you have to see who's calling. Okay, and some cars will allow you to have that call display, but some cars will not. So if you mount your phone in your vision, in your sight area, when someone calls you, before you pick it up, you can actually quickly see who it is without taking your eyes off of the road. And then you can use your hands-free buttons to pick it up and so forth, okay? We left off with number 4, which is a cell phone holder. The 5th car accessory that will make you a safer driver is a microfiber cloth. Now, microfiber cloth has many uses, but I'll tell you the two main uses that will allow you to be a safer driver. The first use is dusting off the screens in your car. So if you have an infotainment system, if you have a dashboard that you look at, if there's a layer of dust on it, it's going to be hard for you to see the information on those screens. Use the microfiber cloth, just give it a quick wipe, and it'll clean off those screens, and it'll allow you to see faster, easier, and read more accurately. So instead of looking at your speedometer trying to figure out what speed you're going because there's a layer of dust on it, you're going to be able to see right away, oh, I'm going 42 kilometers an hour. Oh, I'm going 56 kilometers an hour, right? Same thing with the infotainment system. Instead of trying to see what radio station you're on and going at different angles because of the layer of dust, you're just going to look at it and keep your eyes on the road after that, okay? The second main use of a microfiber cloth is to wipe the inside of your windshield. When the sun is shining this brightly on the windshield, if there is a layer of film on the inside of the windshield, and it forms every once in a while, okay? It's the sun is just gonna hit that layer of film and create almost like a wall, a vision wall. It's hard for you to see through it. If you take that microfiber cloth and you just wipe the inside of the windshield, it's going to allow you to remove that layer of film, and therefore you're going to be able to see the road through the windshield much more easily, okay? The sixth car accessory that will allow you to be a safer driver is a set or a pair of battery jumper cables. If your battery doesn't start, if your car doesn't start, you know, it can create an unsafe driving situation for you and for everyone around you. Imagine you pulled over on the side of the road, shut your car off, you know, someone's coming, you're picking someone up, then you go to start your car and it doesn't start. Now your car's on the side of the road, which is a potential road hazard. Having a set of battery jumper cables will allow you to jump start your battery and bring it to get the battery replaced. Because if your battery needs a jump, it doesn't mean that your battery needs to be replaced, but you should look into it. Maybe you left a light in the car on, or maybe your battery is just old and it needs to be replaced. So you can look into it further. Last but not least, the seventh car accessory that will allow you to be a safer driver is an attentive driver. Now that's right, you are actually a car accessory. The driver of the car is actually an accessory because we are the ones that are controlling the car. So we're an accessory to the vehicle. If a driver is distracted, is not paying attention, is tired, is thinking about other things all day long, then you know what? That is not going to create a safe driving situation. But on the other hand, if you have an attentive driver in the car, that will indeed create a safe driving situation. So an attentive driver is the seventh, and I believe the most important car accessory that will allow you to be a safe driver. And that is it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.